Hello guys, welcome again to another video on Webcraft. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fully integrate mobile money payment into your online store. So maybe you own a store or you provide a service where you want customers to be able to pay on your website through mobile money or using their Visa card. In this video, you are going to see how you can fully integrate this or fully get this done on your website using ExpressPay. Now, when you head over to ExpressPay on this website, you see they have a nice website over here and they have multiple payment options that you can utilize to help grow your business. But in this video, let's look at how we can integrate mobile money payment onto or with our website. So the first thing you need to do is to create an ExpressPay account. So to do that, go to sign up. And you'll be required to enter your email, your password. After you do this, ExpressPay will actually send you an email with a link where you would have to verify your account. After your account is verified, ExpressPay will go ahead or might require you to submit some business document to actually prove that the business or the service you are actually providing is legit. Now, once this is done, or once you pass through this process, they will go ahead to create a merchant ID for you and also send you some credentials which you will input on the back end of your website so that your website will be able to collect payments. Now, after this account is created, let's now go to the back end of our website and see how we can integrate this account with our website to be able to collect payments. So now I'm at the back end of my website. I'm using WordPress to as the CMS for this website. So the first thing I need to do here is I need to go ahead and install ExpressPay plugin. So go to plugins in here and then you can go to add plugin and then search for ExpressPay gateway. Yes, so as you can see, this is what you have here, but you realize that it says last updated in here. It says 10 years ago, which is a very long time. So to get the most recent of this plugin, I encourage you to open up a website again and just go in there and type ExpressPay payment plugin, and this will take you to their GitHub account where you can go and download the newest version of the plugin. So you'll see ExpressPay, a link here that takes you to the GitHub. I'll leave a link in the description below so it will just take you straight to this where you can get the plugin. So you click on that and then it will bring you to this page where when you scroll down, as you can see, ExpressPay Woocommerce plugin here, which was updated 2 years ago. Yeah, so see, this is much better than the other one. So you can go ahead and click on this and then come here and click on download the raw file so you can get it onto your computer. So let's head back to our website again. Instead of installing this one, let's go ahead and click upload and go to choose file and then go to your downloads, and then as you can see, we have the newer version here. Just go ahead and install. So you can see it's installed successfully. Let's go ahead and activate plugin. And now we have our plugin installed. So now we need to configure. So go to configure here and as you can see, it says ExpressPay provides an option to receive payment via ExpressPay Merchant API. So this is where you need to enable payment via ExpressPay Limited. So this is what the customer will see. So whatever you put in here, you can just say pay with Momo. You can change it to your preference and say pay with Momo or Visa card, or you can just leave it as it is. And the description is make payment using your Visa MasterCard. Mobile money scan to pay, and more. Now, if you come in here, you will see environment. So when you click on the question mark, it says this controls which environment to process payment through. So there is sandbox and there is production. Production means that people are actually going to pay with their actual mobile money numbers or Visa card. So this is when everything is ready, you are ready to accept payment from your clients. But before you go to production, I would highly encourage that you do the sandbox environment first. Now, with this option, ExpressPay are going to give you some sample mobile money numbers or sample Visa cards for you to test to make sure that the transaction is able to go through without actual debit from anybody's card. So you first start with the sandbox environment. Now you need your merchant ID as well. You remember I mentioned earlier in this video that ExpressPay, after creating your account and submitting your business document to them, will create a merchant ID for you, and this is where you input that merchant ID. This will be sent into your email. And now this is your merchant API key. Now you will not get the merchant API key from the ExpressPay account. This will also be sent to you. So the API key that you are going to use to test, ExpressPay will send to you. Now, after you've done your testing and everything is working, then they will send you the API also for live production, to go into the live production mode. So please do take note of these two areas. Now, if we head back to our website, you can see it says here pay with ExpressPay. So we've already done an integration with Paystack in here. If you want to see how you can also do this same integration with Paystack, I have a video up here that will also show you how to do that. So I use Paystack to do this, but this is for ExpressPay. So your customers has two options: either they pay with the first option or go with the second option as well. So as you can see, it says pay with ExpressPay, and that is what we left over here. So you can modify this to your preference as well. So I did the sandbox environment. I entered my merchant ID and the API key that was sent to me, and the sandbox environment worked perfectly. So now I moved on to the production level. So in this website here, I've done the full integration, and I have been sent my API for full production. So once I come to the checkout phase and I click on place order, this is what the customer will see when they click on place order. So as you can see, they've been brought to the ExpressPay interface, and this is what it looks like. So this is where the customer will place their logo. You can do this on your ExpressPay account, and then you put your name in here as well. So the customer can opt to pay with a card. So this is where you enter your card number, card name, expiry date, and then the CCVV. If the customer doesn't want to do that, they can also pay with mobile money, and you can see there's Momo, Airtel, Tigo, and Telecel. So all the customer needs to do is to enter their phone number and continue with payment. So once the transaction goes through, you will see all your transactions on the back end of your website and also on your ExpressPay account that you created initially. So this is a very simple way that you can collect payments on your website. If you need help with your website on this, just hit me in the comment section and I'll be happy to assist you to do this for a small amount of fee. So this is a very simple and very easy way that you can start collecting mobile money payments on your website. If you found the video useful, kindly remember to like this video and also subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.